Hello from the middle of the world, the equator! In Ecuador, where the northern and the southern hemispheres are separated by this line. At the middle of the world, twice a year your shadow disappears entirely because the sun is right above you. The water drains straight down, not right or left. Your watch is not needed because of solar time. Here, you can't balance yourself on a straight line. But you can balance an egg on a nail. At the equator, you are very close to the sun. Because the mountains are high and the earth bulges towards the center. An entire country, Ecuador, is named after this place, where you will find this, and these people. The world is a fun place, but in the middle of it, it's even more fun. That's what made it beautiful!